Good evening children, welcome to class 7 chemistry IIT class. Okay, here. So till yesterday we have finished concept, right? So let us discuss some few questions and topics related to the questions. Here first question is, try to understand. A restaurant owner has a few bottles of soda drink in his restaurant, but unfortunately there are not labels. So he has to serve the drink on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic, and one more thing one customer wants neutral drink. How will the restaurant owner decide which drink is to be served to whom? So what happened? Unfortunately, the drinks are not labeled, so he don't know what is acidic drink, what is basic drink, and what is neutral drink. So what he has to do? So here he has to take few litmus papers. So the best example is litmus papers. So we have red litmus papers as well as blue litmus papers. So if we paste red litmus into a soft drink, and if it turns into blue, it is basic. Okay, and if we take blue litmus papers and if we put into one more drink, if it turns into red, it is basic, and if the litmus papers does not change any color, then it is neutral drink. Okay, so this is thing. So here litmus papers, red litmus changes to blue is called as basic, and blue to red is called as acidic. Yesterday we have discussed this. Next, what will happen to the hydrogen ion concentration and the pH value of water if hydrochloric acid is added to water? So hydrogen ion. If hydrogen ion is added to the water, what happens? So here the hydrogen ion concentration will be increasing. Here again one more hydrogen ion is added, yes or not? So here the concentration of hydrogen ion increases it, and pH value will be also increases. So next is, would fish be healthy in a lake that has low pH value? So what is this pH value actually? pH value is the strength of an acid, base or salts, yes or not? So here the pH value is low, that means if it is 1 or 2, that means what? It is acid, yes or not? So if pH value is less than 7, it is what? If the pH value is less than 7, it is acidic. If it is more than 7, it is basic, and if it is neutral, it is salt. So here pH value is low, yes or not? If pH value is low, that means it is acid. So is the acid good for aquatic life? No, it is not good for the aquatic life. Next, you have two solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and the pH of solution B is 8. So what is here 6? The pH value of 6 is, what is it? Acid or base? It is acid because it is less than 7. So it is acid, and the pH value of 8 is base. So which solutions has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of this is acidic and which one is basic? So which is having more hydrogen ion? Because A is an acid, it has more hydrogen ion concentration. And next is A is what? It is 6, so it is acid. A is pH value of B is 8, so it is basic. And next is, what are acid base indicators? Give examples of 2 natural and 2 synthetic indicators. Mention the color change of these indicators with acids and bases. So what is acid base indicator first? The substance which changes colors due to acids and base is called as acid base indicators. So this is just by indicators we have discussed. We have different types of indicators. Turmeric is a natural indicator. So here there are some indicators, 2 natural and 2 synthetic indicators. Natural indicators are Chedaros and turmeric, whereas synthetic indicators are methyl orange, and next is phenolphthalein. Next. Okay, next question. A substance X gives pink color with phenolphthalein. So what it is? And another substance Y is added to it in the pink color, disappears after some time. What are the substance X and Y? So they took a substance X, and if they added phenolphthalein, it changes into pink. Okay, and for this pink color they have one more solution Y, and it has changed into colorless. So what they have added? X is a base. As phenolphthalein changes base into pink color, it does not have any color for the acids. Okay. So when the phenolphthalein is added to X, so if it turns into pink color, we can say that it is base, and if it is in colorless, what it is? It is acid. So next, X is base and Y is acid. Here they took X, they have added phenolphthalein and it changed into what? Pink color. Okay. In the same way, for this pink solution, they have added again Y. So if Y is added, it becomes colorless. Yes or not? That means here, when phenolphthalein is added to the base, it becomes pink. So here X is base. And for this pink, as it is a base, if we add one more thing, it becomes colorless. What is this Y? If we add Y, it is acid. Okay. When phenolphthalein is added with the acid, it becomes colorless. When this phenolphthalein is added to the base, it becomes pink color. Next. Mention two uses of the salts given below. Sodium chloride, sodium bicarbonate. Yesterday, in the last class, I have written here sodium carbonate and sodium bicarbonate. What we are using? One is used for the to saving preservative food, yes or not? And sodium carbonate is used as an antacid and some leavening agents of for cakes. Next. So here are some equations. Let us go to the equations. You have to complete them. I have explained how to prepare salts yesterday. If the acid is treated with the salt, what happens? If the acid is treated with the metals, what happens? So here are the equations. See, when zinc is treated with hydrochloric acid, what does it give? So zinc is a metal, HCl is an acid, right? When metal acids are reacted with metals, what happens? We get a salt there. So here we get zinc chloride plus water. In the same way, magnesium chloride is treated with the HCl, then we will get magnesium chloride plus carbon dioxide plus water. And here calcium hydroxide is treated with the nitric acid, then we will get calcium nitrate plus water. Okay. Here acids are treated with the oxides, hydroxides and metals. So we will get here different types of salts and giving water as a solution. Okay. Next, why are mineral acids dangerous? See, acids itself, first some acids are dangerous, right? Why? Because they are corrosive nature, they have some corrosive nature. So here the metals are the minerals, the HCl, H2SO4, sulfuric acid, they all are nitric acid, they are dangerous minerals, acids. So when they come react with the cloths or any substance, they easily react with them. They create some heat, they burns them. Okay, so that is the reason in the lab we need to take some necessary actions when we are doing experiments with the acids, as it may damage our skin, as it may damage even our clothes also. Okay, next. What is meant by indigestion? Sometimes we feel our stomach is full and we feel the digestion is not properly. So why it happens? So is anything there in our body also? Is any acid there in our stomach? Yes. So here our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest food, but too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk or magnesium. So when people feel some indigestion in them, they take ENO or they take some hot press or not. What happens when we take that? They are bases first. Yes or not? So what happens? As too much of acid creates some indigestion process. When we take some acid and if we utilize it, the stomach feels easy and the food gets digested easily. Okay. And next, few more questions. A natural dye extracted from lichens and most commonly used as an indicator what is its color in distilled water. Natural dye extracted from leeches. Okay, so these are the extracted from the leeches. What color we get? We get the purple. Here purple is called as mauve. M-A-U-V-E. Mauve is nothing but purple color. Okay, the next is when few drops of phenolphthalein are added to sample A, it turns pink. Just now we have discussed. Think, to this pink colored solution, we added a few drops of sample B with continuously shading the pink color disappears. So here A is basic as well as B is acidic. And next, Manisha took a little bit of soil from her garden and mixed it with water. When she dipped a blue litmus in it, the litmus turned red. So what does it contain? Blue to red. Does it contain any acid or base? What is the answer? Adding which of the following to her garden will she get better plant growth? So actually blue changed to red. So that is nothing but it is what? Acid. So what she have to add? She have to add some more base to get is neutralized. Hydrochloric acid, water, salt or slaked lime. Slaked lime is a best basic solution. So we have to add slaked lime. Next, you dissolve the sample in distilled water and then added a drop of this solution to a test tube containing blue litmus solution which changes to red. It shows the sample gives us 2 is. That is nothing but you have took a sample is distilled water, okay, and for the distilled water you have added few drops of something. What is the something we have to know? So when something is added, what happens there? Blue changes to red. When blue is changing to red, what does it indicate? It is an acid. Okay, so acid is soap to taste. So here, check here. The options they have given is soap, tomato juice, baking soda, sugar. In these 4 options, which has source taste is soap, baking soda, sugar. These 3 have bitter taste or sweet taste. Yes or not? Where has tomato juice or some sour taste? As it has sour taste, it is acid. When blue litmus changes to red, it is acid. So here it is tomato juice. Next, Mg plus H2SO4. So you don't have here. Magnesium plus sulfuric acid gives what? Magnesium sulfide plus hydrogen. Okay. The pH of human body varies with the range of, the pH of human body is 7 to 7.8. It is salt or base but not acid. Which of the following is synthetic fiber? Here are synthetic fibers and natural fibers, right? Where turmeric is a natural fiber. Here phenolphthalein is a synthetic fiber. On which of the following does acid rain has adverse effects? What happens when acid rains occurs? So what are the effects of acid rain? Marble structures damages, historical movements damages, aquatic life, or all of this? Yes, all of this is the answer. Why? Because due to acid and all the things they all will be getting effect. Marble structures will be destroyed, historical movements will be destroyed. Yes, due to acid when they react to acid as acids of parachute, nature and aquatic life also gets disrupted. Next, why bases are kept in glass bottles? Some bases are corrosive in nature. That is the reason we kept acids or bases in the glass only, because they react the other substance very easily. pH of pure water is, pH value of pure water is 7, exactly 7. Why? Because pure water means distilled water only. So distilled water pH value is 7. So this is regarding few questions. In the next class we will be starting next lesson. Thank you.